In this video, we are going to learn that which numbers are divisible by 9. So first, we're just going to pick any number. Let's say 3,241,052. Is this number divisible by 9? Well, the rule for divisibility by 9 is to see if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So therefore, 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 would equal 17. And is 17 divisible by 9? No. So therefore, 3,241,052 is not divisible by 9. But how could we make this number now divisible by 9? Well, we need the digits, any one of these digits, to equal a sum of 9. So it could equal 9 or 18 or 27 and continuing on in that pattern as long as the number is divisible by 9. So we need to get to the closest one would be 18. So let's just add let's just add 1 to one of the numbers. I'm going to do it to the 0. So our new number is 3,241,152, which would equal 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus, which implies, plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 will equal 18. And 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So therefore, this whole number is divisible by 9. But so is 3,341,052 and let's say and 3,241,053 is, and any other number where you would just bump up the number by 1 would in fact be divisible by 9.